Are you tired of unwanted calls on IMO but don't want to block the person completely? In this video, I will show you exactly how to stop someone from calling you on IMO while still staying connected. To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. In your chat list, find the person you want to prevent from calling, or use the search bar to locate them quickly. Then tap their name at the top to open their profile. Next, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner. From the list of options, select Permissions. Here you will see an option labeled Call Me. Simply toggle the slider off next to it. That's it. The person will no longer be able to call you. You can also prevent this person from inviting you to private groups by toggling the slider off in the next option. This option is useful when you want to stop someone from calling you, but still stay connected without fully blocking them. So, that's how you can stop someone from calling you on IMO without blocking them.